Lily, are you sure you have packed everything in your suitcase?
Yes, Mum, I'm sure.
Did you pack your passport?
Of course I packed my passport, Mum. That's the most important thing.
I'm just checking, sweetheart. If you don't have your passport, you won't be going anywhere.
I know. That's why it's the first thing I packed.
Did you pack your sunglasses?
I did indeed, Mother.
You're off to a great start.
Thank you, although I'm not too sure why I need to pack my sunglasses. There are no beaches in Paris.
You're visiting Paris in the height of summer. You're going to need your sunglasses when you're looking up at the Eiffel Tower.
I can't wait to see the Eiffel Tower. It's been on my bucket list for years.
You'll be able to tick it off your list very soon.
I can't wait to eat baguettes too.
Oh yes, and we must eat as much cheese as possible.
What's the name of the French cheese that you love so much? It's Cam something. Camembert, Camembert.
It's Camembert, sweetheart.
Yes, that's the one. I really like that one too, Mum.
We'll be sure to eat lots of it. Right, let's get back on track. Did you pack your flip-flops?
Yes, I did.
Good. You won't want to be walking around in trainers all day. Have you packed your camera?
Oh, I would never forget that.
I suppose that was a silly question, wasn't it? You can't go anywhere without taking photos. Have you packed your sun hat?
No, I packed my cap instead.
Okay, that should be everything. I know you've got all of your clothes because I packed them.
I've packed all of my toiletries.
What about your carry-on luggage?
All sorted. My camera's in there, along with my headphones, books, and some of my pocket money that I will be exchanging at the airport.
Well done, Lily. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, Mum.
Right, it sounds like we have everything we need. Let's get going. Right, it's almost time to check in. Let's get our tickets ready.
What do we do after we check in?
We will be given a boarding pass. Then we will go through security.
Will we walk through that beeping machine?
Yes, we will walk through the metal detectors.
Yay.
Then we will head to our gate and board the flight. Right, let's get going before we miss our flight.
Paris, here we come.